Hello, this is Lisa Bruno here. I am going to provide some self-reflection on this course. Well, one thing I have to say that I learned from this training is definitely the importance of incorporating real-world experiences into the classroom. I also take away a lot of different ideas as to how to do that. I think that the last discussion that we had where people had to share some ideas, whether it be guest speakers, incorporating virtual field trips, getting creative with assignments, just tying in current events, using TED Talks, YouTube videos. I think if I had to look back on this course and what I take away from all this is definitely has given me some more creative ideas and the importance of making sure that real world experiences get applied to the course material, making it fun and easier and more innovative ways for students to actually learn. Thank you very much.